Today, me and Chris will be... Okay, I don't even know what the name of this game is, but... Oh, yeah, I think we're shooting a train. I don't know. Okay. We're going in. Me and Chris are going in. Let's go. No, Chrissy! Oh, my God! No! Oh, my God, bro. This is stressful, bro. Twins. Okay, let me put my volume up a little bit. Let's go. There we go. That is crazy. Okay, am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sorry. Okay. Oh my God, bro. What is that thumbnail?
It put me in the lobby for like...
Wait, wasn't this from like that laser game? That's a template. Oh my God, Chris, be careful. Chris, why are you flying? Vecna's taking you by a little... Okay, never mind. By a little bit. By a little bit. Okay, shoot him.
We can get new weapons right here, I think.
Die! I'm killing the train.
We can get more attack.
Why do I have a cheeseburger?
Attack damage over... I don't know. I think we can get new weapons.
Chris, Choo-Choo Charles is coming. Chris, please help me. Wait, can I shoot you?
Okay.
Okay, no, I can't shoot you. Okay. Okay, come on. Let's go. Die, Choo-Choo Charles. We have to kill Choo-Choo. Choo-Choo the Charles.
Whoever gets this gets the money.
I'll wait.
Yes.
What?
I got some money.
Me too.
What am I gonna get? I'm gonna get a gun.
Let's see what I got.
I got a freaking pistol.
Oh my God, I almost got a minigun, bruh.
It's got 30 attack damage.
I almost got a minigun, gang.
Brother, you're so lucky.
I almost got a minigun. I was one away from getting a minigun, bro. Oh, he's fast. Chris, he's fast. He's fast. He's a fast boy. Not fast.
I'm going.
Why is there a zombie?
You get the train, I get the zombies.
Okay. The zombies are like 2 out. Die.
There's lasers shooting at us.
That's not good. I saw it, but yeah, that's not good. Die!
Yeah, $100.
How much money do you have?
$100. Okay, I'll take that.
Chris? I might have got... Chris, do you see what I got?
I wanted that. I actually wanted
Yeah, this is a minigun, yeah. Oh my God, Chris. I got meat. Yummy.
Oh, chicken.
No, I want to trade. That's barbecue.
What do you even do?
Oh my God! Yeah!
Do we finish?
Yeah!
Oh my God.
Yeah!
I can spam the shoot button.
Brother, I'm minigunning. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, let's go! Come on! Die, stupid train!
Really good. I love this game.
Wow. Go back.
Another day, another $100.
Another day, another buck, another, what? Another $100, yes, okay. Come on.
Attack damage, you know what? That's kind of big of a...
Chris, I got another minigun.
That's okay. I guess you're the world's luckiest person.
I got a better minigun, bro. I got a yellow minigun.
What do you do with your chicken?
There's just not this is not chicken, but okay.
What do you do with it?
I don't even know.
Oh
my God! Die! Oh.
This is teamwork. Already been dead. I don't know. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's a missile coming out of the base.
Oh no. Hard level's coming, Chris. We need to go.
We need to get a good gun. Go.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's not.
I almost got a sniper, gang.
Gang, I got a piece. We're doing 155 attack damage. I want to buy the selfie crate.
I like
I
that.
have enough Robux there, but I can't. I'm going to get some of Robux. This is hard mode.
I sold the chicken. Chris, I sold the chicken for $50.
Wait, how do you sell it?
Over there, I sold it for some money.
Could you tell me when this round's over?
Sure. This ain't hard.
I just need the trail.
There's are you, brother? That's all you, brother. That's all you. Come on. Bro's getting eaten. Don't worry, Chris, I got you. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
Thank you, brother. How do you sell your stuff?
Right here, you put it like right here, and then you get money.
Oh,
Wait, oh, let me get some money. I want to get some. What is this? I want it.
You want a crate?
I'm gonna buy a crate too.
Oh my God. I'm getting attacked while opening the crate.
That's crazy.
Wait, don't skip, don't skip.
Okay, I'm not.
I accidentally could skip. I'm gonna sell items so I can get money and buy better weapons.
No. What is this? No. What is this? I don't know what that is. I think I just got a cloud.
180 attack damage. You know what? Look what I got, but this one's really cool. This looks really cool. Oh, you can't be talking about cool. We got the train coming.
Why is it on fire? It's on fire, gang.
I'm gonna kill this.
Get away! So I'm dead. What the heck?
What's wrong with that? Just send out or show down.
Dang it. How about this?
Money from selling the train.
What? I hate this game. Frick this game. Hate this game. Wreck this game. This one's better. Your voice.
I need 700.
Bro, I don't want a dark star. Dark star. I want this because it's better. Somehow. I'm just wasting money, gang.
Oh my god, is that?
What is that? I kind of want it.
I'm gonna sell some items.
Okay, me too. Me too.
Sniper.
Just know what you did. Okay, I got a gold bar. I think we're doing good. We're doing pretty good.
Yeah, we're doing good. How long is the video in?
I don't even know, bro.
Okay,
I don't even know if guys are. I think they're still watching this. If they're still watching this, I mean, if you're watching this, hi. How long has it been? I think it's like been like 5 minutes or something. What the heck is that? I want
Oh
it.
my god, these dumb missiles.
What was that? Chris, I think I just got a powerful thing, but I just shot it and I kind of lost it.
What power does it do?
I didn't see it, but it was one. It had only one bullet, and I wasted it on the ground.
Oh, that means it probably was really OP. Yes. Oh, that's a huge oven. Bro,
Yeah.
I really want to buy this crate for 19 Robux.
Oh, what is this? I want it.
Oh wait, what is this? I'll take this.
I want this. Don't take my $20. I think that was mine, and you had one.
That was mine.
You had one. I don't know. Just take your 20. It's the same thing, bro. Die!
Train coming down over time.
1,000 down. Oh, yeah. What if I shoot him face? No, Chris is gonna eat me! He's eating me, Chris. All right, Chrissy. How you doing? All right, so we got, okay, this is, I want it.
I keep getting grades now.
I don't know if that's, is that better than Epic or not? I don't even know.
No, it's not.
Oh, shucks. Got a painting.
I swear, it's added something that does the same damage. One more time, I'm going to actually murder everybody in that hotel.
What?
I keep getting things that do the same damage, just different guns.
It's bad for you. Look at that. Rocket launcher.
Oh my god, what's happening?
Wait, I didn't realize there was a jump button. I thought that was like a crouch
I
button.
didn't realize that either.
I thought it was like a button to like crouch. Okay. What the heck? There's alpha wolves! It's just... What is that? What is that? Their alpha wolves are coming! The alphas are coming! The alphas are coming!
The alphas are coming.
The alphas are dead. I'm taking their meat. Yummy.
Yeah.
More alphas are coming! The alphas! Oh, I want that. Oh yeah, give me that, bro. Give me that. Some of that. It was a scare. The alphas!
We can't let him get through the other side. That's where all the people survive.
Oh yeah.
I think, I don't know.
No, he's coming to eat me, Chris. Can you stop him before he eats me? Let's see if Chris is a good cousin. If he can stop me before he eats me. Oh, W, Chris. I don't know, but I want these. I don't know what they are, but I want them. Chris, I just found a dinosaur tail somehow.
Oh my god, what am I getting hit by?
You've been hit by a scary train. Da-da-do, 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 da-da-bow, da-da-do, da-da-do.
Level.
Hard levels come in. I think, yeah. It looks pretty. It looks abandoned, I guess. It kind of looks abandoned. I haven't been opening a lot. Let's open. Ooh, I got an earth shaking. What is that? What's an earth shaking? I want it. What the heck?
I got the minigun.
Can you skip it? Yeah.
As it comes out, I'm shooting it.
Jit tracking. Jit lacking, we're still recording. Let's go. Jit. This might be our longest video, actually. I think it might be.
Probably is.
I mean, it's not. I don't think it hasn't been that long, right? What the hell is that? Yeah, I'm out. GG's. They're demanding to the flood. Missile warning. Cha cha cha. We cookied. We cookied in a bookie. The alphas are coming out. Ah, woo! I'm up one of you. Ah. What the heck is that? I just found a turret. I got a turret, Chris. Come on, turret. Shoot them. The base is under attack. I know that, brother. Shoot the missile. No. Let's go. I destroyed it.
I'm trying to kill those missiles.
Me too. Die! Die! Oh my. I'm at 1 HP! No! It's GG's, chat. Boom! It's not gonna help, bruh. Ooh, I don't know what that. Oh, it's meat. Oh, I'm sorry. Do we do it? Let's go! We did it. We did it. Bye, guys. See you in the next video. Peace. Like and subscribe.